This is a shortened version of the rules of the game. I want to draw your special attention to how to use the statistics, your statistics, and those of all championship participants. Here you see the championship, so come on in if you're here. Here are your statistics, and right here are the statistics of everyone playing this game. This table right here, it only updates once you actually launch the game. But your statistics here, they will update automatically once you've completed a wave. And just as soon as the next one loads, right here in this table, you'll see an update. To find out the statistics of each of our champions that you see here in this table, you need to go to our website. Right here on our website, the very first thing you'll land on is the About section. And here is the full leaderboard. You go in here, and here you see the exact same statistics as you saw in the game. But there's an advantage here, because you can simply click on any one of our champions. You click it, and you can see their personal statistics right here. And you can always compare your statistics with the statistics of that champion. You click on any one of them, and you can see their full playthrough, how they play. Here, if something isn't clear to you, you can always click on Wave. The timestamps are down below, explaining what's what, and so on. Here you can see everything, a description of what each column means. Same goes for the enemy building. You can surely click on it to see its stats. And the same here. If you're unsure about something, you can always click and see how it all works. The thing is, in the game, if you clear a wave, you really have to see it through. And for the next wave to load for you, only then does it actually save. And here, the game automatically sends to the server. And here, the statistics for those who completed the wave are all automatically recorded. For any person in the world, the moment they pass through the wave, all their data is transmitted here. You can always replay the matches. If you happen to check, for instance, the stats for any champion and compare them to yours, and yours are worse, you can look at the parameters to see where they did better and what you should pay attention to as you're going through any given wave. And you can play a wave endlessly. If your wave is much worse than the last one, it simply won't be saved. It always saves the very best result. A worse result will never ever overwrite your best result. So you can keep replaying infinitely until you reach the level of our champions and, well, visit the website more often. And that is all. I wish you all good luck. Go on and become champions.